Right. To kick things off, now may I call upon Subodh Patil, co-convener IMBU 2025, to speak a few words about IMBA. Subodh.
Together for Subodh.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Today is a special day, you know. What is today? Happy Friendship Day to all of you. Guys, I would suggest, meet and greet your friends, make new friends on this occasion. I can tell you that this is going to be the best friendship day because I don't think you would have met so many friends on any of your friendship days. Is that right? Yes? Okay. So happy Friendship Day once again. Can you have the slides, please? So since morning, by the time the slides come up, since morning, I would have met at least 30, 35 friends, okay? And it's so exciting. Lot of new people we are making friends with. And I think we should celebrate it as much as we can, right? Okay, coming to the slides. Many of you know that IMBA, right? And many of you don't know about IMBA. So as you've seen, IMBA has come up and, reaching out to most of the alums in last few years, right? There's a slight confusion. Many times it arises, what is IMBA? What is alumni? What is the role of IMBA? What is alumni office, et cetera, et cetera. So we thought we'll just have a quick kind of presentation on that. So we have IMB as a as a part of the solar system. IMB is sun for us. That is where we are, all of us have come from. And that is what our energy center. And IMBA, as an alumni association, we revolve around IMB, right? But at the same time, we have our own axis also. We also revolve around ourselves. We have our own agenda. And there is a alumni office, right? Now, alumni office is a part of IMB, okay? That is where many of your batch reunions happens at the institute. That is where, the alumni office interfaces. Many events, IMBA events which are happening in the campus, alumni office helps us. So alumni office is a part of IMB, which help us, again, getting connected with the institute, right? When it comes to, so the role of alumni office is to connect with alums, at the same time coordinate with IMBA, lot of things which are common activities and events like IMBU, for example. There are many more events which are happening. So alumni office is a interface for that. Now, the world of IMBA, we have around 14 chapters, right? 9 in India, 5 overseas. And all of you are coming from various chapters, right? I've seen people coming from, of course, Hyderabad, Delhi, Pune, Mumbai, right? Coimbatore. And we have few people traveling overseas also. A lot of people from Dubai, a lot of people from Europe as well as US. So each of the alum is connected with one of the other chapters. And all these chapters are are being driven by a trust, which is the IMBA trust. And each of the trust has, of course, the director of IMB as one of the patrons. Then we have one president, Harish is a president. We have 3 vice presidents. And we have Dean of Alum Relations, Professor Mukherjee, as a part of the trust. And we also have, 2 co-opted members, right? And of course, there's an executive board. Executive board, each director has one director and 3 deputy directors. And this is a complete democratic process. Every 3 years, elections happen, and the director and deputy director for each of the chapters are elected, and they have a tenure of 3 years. Now, all the kind of, all this put together creates an executive body, and the executive body elects president and vice presidents, right? There are a lot of initiatives which are being taken by the Alumni Association, IMBA. Some of the, you would have taken insurance, top-up insurance, many of you, okay? One of the best kind of, things which has been cracked by IMBA. Then we have IMB Alumni Club. Are you guys aware of IMB Alumni Club? Okay, so that's one of the kind of great thing on the line of Harvard Club or L Club. Then we have IMBUX, which we had been doing online during the pandemic times. We have IMBU, of course. We have App Initiative, and there are so many other initiatives like which are going to, get launched in a kind of, time to come. We have special interest groups also. So this is a kind of, this is how the IMB Alumni Office and IMBA is kind of structured together. And these are all the kind of initiatives. Some of them are already there, and some of them are going to get launched in future, okay? So that's about, IMBA. Of course, we'll get more and more initiatives, and we'll reach out to you for kind of, having your participation into that. Happy Friendship Day once again, and thank you so much.